In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see when your iPhone was first used. Knowing when an iPhone was first used is important for tracking warranty status, as Apple's warranty and AppleCare coverage begin from the activation date. This also helps assess the device's age, which can impact resale value, as newer devices tend to fetch higher prices. To see this, simply head to your iPhone settings. On the Settings page, select Battery. You will want to head to Battery Health. On this page, you will see the date when your iPhone was manufactured. And on the very last option, you will see when it was first used. First use is like when your iPhone was powered on for the very first time. This information is useful for verifying purchase legitimacy in secondhand sales, ensuring the device hasn't been stolen or misrepresented. That's how easy it is to see when your iPhone was first used. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.